Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to edit your friend's nickname on Snapchat. So for this you need to open up Snapchat. Now you need to go to chat option from bottom left side. Tap on chat. Now you need to select that profile. I'm selecting some profile and I'm going to click on more so that I can see more options. Now you can see edit name, so you need to tap on edit name, right? And here you can set it name for that username. So I'm just going to just change that name to, as you guys can see on the screen. So you guys can also choose that name in your own, and simply you can select save, right, or tap on save. So whenever you tap on save, in this way you'll be able to edit nickname for someone else on Snapchat. Now you can see it's being saved. So yep, that was all for today. Hope you liked this video.